Yo, what is up, guys? So welcome back, basically, to a first video in like months. Um, yeah, I apologize. Today we're gonna be playing, Don't Press the Button. It's a simple game. Don't press the button when there's a big red button. You don't press it, but everyone in the game, presses it and kills everyone. And so, yeah. Yeah. Oh, what? Find a pink circle. There's one right here. This is a pink circle. Right? Find a bright yellow star. What? What? I'm so confused. Oh. Oh. Yay! We won! Yay! We won. We are cool. We are officially cool. We are really cool. I forgot. What does this do? What? Oh my! Hello. Okay. Yo, I was so close to falling off the edge there. What? Oh no. Can't I just like... Oh, I can't cheat in this one? Wait, what if I... Oh, yeah. So... What if I go the opposite way? Hold on. Huh? What? Wait. Oh. Okay. I think I died. I'm not too sure though, but I think I died. Press the button. Reach the... Oh, this is... Oh, sometimes I get this, sometimes I don't. If I lose, if I don't make this, I'm actually gonna be like embarrassed. I don't know why, but I'm actually gonna be like embarrassed, bro. Okay, cool. I don't need to be embarrassed then, so. I'm glad I don't need to be embarrassed. It's good to know I won't be embarrassed now. No one likes to be embarrassed. Alright, we still got people going. How hard is it if I want to go backwards? Nope. Okay. Watch out. Hello! Oh my god, that's a big ball. It's a big mud ball. Totally nothing else that was on my mind. Oh, this is easy. I love these. These are fun. I do want to apologize. I honestly lost motivation in making videos. But now I'm back because I wanted to live stream Minecraft because I saw someone else do it. I was like, I've never even done a live stream before. Okay, hopefully the last pad is right here and not over there. Because if that's the case, I'm cooked. And wait. Yo, let's go. Let's freaking go. I forgot I had this. Yeah, we good. So I'm not gonna get a live stream. I did a lot of test streams, but now we got music as in the background. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted because I shouldn't get copyrighted. Bro, these are so easy to find, bro. How do you die? You just have to look closely, bro. You just gotta look closely and you'll be fine. You'll look closely. You should be fine. Should be fine. You won't be fine all the time. What? Oh. Huh? I'm gonna pick this up. Do you guys not know what a paintbrush is? He needs the paintbrush. I think that's what he said. Oh, there's not even a paintbrush here. Is there? I guess I don't know what a paintbrush is either. Yeah, he needs the paintbrush. Y'all don't know how to give paint. And this is a hammer, guys. Guys, see this? This is a hammer. He wants the hammer. That's what a hammer is. He wants the blueprint. Okay, it's blue. So you take the blueprint. That's a hammer. Okay, yeah, that's a blue. Yes. Do I need to do it too? Do we all need to do it? I think we all need to do it. Yep. What else do you need? You need a wrench. Here's your wrench. And then the circle thing. Oh, he didn't get it. Oh, I knew it was a tape measure. I just didn't know. No, give me it. Oh, dang, I jump high. Okay. Whee! I can jump even higher. Ready? Watch. Whee! I'll wait. No, I'll jump. Oh my god! Oh, I'm being abducted by aliens now. I didn't think I'd ever see the day. How high are we going? Oh, no! Because then I was gonna jump, and then I'll be like jumping high, and then I'll drink this, yeah, eat it, and then I'll go extra high. But now I died. So, who has a bomb? That person had a bomb. Not anymore because they're dead. But you know, if I touch this, do I turn into poop? Damn. Oh. Oh, he was still small. I couldn't even see him when he killed me. If y'all were big and normal size, I would have killed y'all. Just letting you know. I would have killed y'all. Because y'all would have been dead. Because I would have killed you. Because I'm the best hash slinging slasher out there. We all know that. Huh? Okay. Not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. I don't want to get yelled at by YouTube for that. I don't know. Avoid getting infected. Well, who's infected? How do I know who's infected? You have a... Oh. Oh, okay. I spawned back. How do I know who has anyone? Who has the virus and who doesn't? How do I know? I'm gonna go up here. Yeah, I'm chilling up here. We good, bro. We good. I'm chilling up here. No zombies gonna get me. They don't know how to climb. They're too dumb. I'm good, bro. How long does this last? I was supposed to run. Wow. How long does this round last? I caught myself from having a bad stutter. So, almost just dying. Yay! I'm not infected. What do you mean what is this? Oh. This is what you mean. What if I, looks like the Death Star. What if I just start, oh. Is this a speed? Oh. Bro! This is a speed run, bro. We got this, bro. I'm gonna win. I got this. Oh, this isn't a speed run. I forgot. This is the bouncing one. Watch, ready? First try. First try, bro. First try. We got this. Hold on. I haven't died yet. So we still good. We're still good. I gotta lock in, bro. First try, bro. Let's go.
Knowledge.
Oh. What?
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Yes. All the knowledge. That's why I'm a firefighter, bro.
Norwin.
I got knowledge.
Norwin.
Well, I'm a junior, so. But we still good. We still cooking. We good. Watch out for what? Oh my god! We got fallen potatoes, girl. We got fallen potatoes. Fallen potatoes. Stay in the light. I thought you're not supposed to go to the light. Now we're staying close to the light. What? Okay. Well, I guess I'm just gonna stay close to the light. Even though I should not go to the light. But okay. Yeah. How are you You can't! Well, I guess you can, because I just lived that. No, that's not fair! That's not fair! He used the leaf blower thing! Oh, bruh. Are you... Jump over the layers. Oh, okay. I got this. Watch, ready? I won't even cheat, bro. I'm not even gonna cheat. I'm not even going to cheat, dude. I'm not... I'm not gonna cheat, bro. I gotta lock in now. Dang, that was fast. Okay. Hold up. What in the world? Yo, that's not fair. Yeah, I'm locked in. Try to trick you. It says you won, but it's still going. There it goes. I thought I was gonna need to cheat and use my jetpack, but I was wrong. Nah, I got this. Oh, nope, I got this. Watch free. Take cover. Okay. What is that? It's acid right now. We got this, bro. Let's go. Where's the brother? Where'd it go? Oh, uh-oh. Ah! There you go. Alright, I died. I got distracted by my sister. Falling asleep. And she's in my room. But, no. Alright, let's go. Hey! Kill me? You can't kill me. Actually, you can, as you just did. So I guess you can kill me. I guess 707 coins. How bro has 100 million coins and only 400 rounds? How do you have more? Wait, huh? I have 707 coins and I have almost 1,200 rounds played. This guy has 400 rounds played and has 100 million coins, and he's played less rounds than me. How does that make sense? I mean, I know I spent my coins, but I don't think I spent that much worth of coins. There's no way. And he left. And I died because I was distracted by that, so. It sucks. I'm the only person who died. That sucks. It just goes to show. No, it was just because I'm distracted. That's the only reason. Think fast. It was all the way over there. Even if I thought fast, I would have probably died still. So that was pointless. Alright, what? No. Whee! Oh. Wait, no! Oh. Okay. Bro, help me! Help me, bro! Come on, help! Over, get it! What the? What is it doing? Yo, we gonna win. We got this. We got this. Come on! Let's go. Let's go. I'm that guy. We are that. No, I'm that guy because I did most of it. All right, catch the. Oh, no. All right, watch. Ready? I'm Santa Claus. I'm Santa Claus. Ready? You just take that from me? Excuse you? Wait. Nope. Yo. Nope. You took that from me. You can't do that, bro. That's cheating. Watch. Fine. I'll get this one. I'll get this one. Yep. There. And I'm gonna get this one. I was about to say, I better catch that one. Haha. Damn. I got 7. Let's go. And I still won. After that first guy took mine. Bro. I'm that guy. Oh, this is easy. And it's actually loaded now. The first few times I played this like an hour ago, it wouldn't even load. It was just invisible. Which was weird. But it should be better. Oh yeah. Now I can actually have a chance at winning this. Because it's loaded now. Watch, ready? Watch this clutch move. Yep, there we go. I went sideways and could have died, but I didn't because I'm invincible. I'm invincible. Why is it slowing down? I don't like that. Holy cow. Yo. See? I'm winning all of these, bro. Probably because they're easy. Yeah, no. Or, no, it's not because they're easy. It's because I'm just that guy. I don't know. That's not why, but... Where's the hole at? Oh, okay. I gotta go. Let's go. I barely made it. Because when I got there, like, I didn't know what to do. Because there was a hole in the ceiling. And then I figured I had to go around. But I almost just freaking died, dude. I'm so lucky. Oh, last time, I'm gonna get first place, bro. Watch. Watch, 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 watch. Ready? Watch. How are y'all fast? Oh, y'all are catching more than I... Wait, no! Third place! Oh, nope, fourth place. Never mind. I thought I got third place. I mean, wait, no, I got that says first place, bro. I'm so cool. I got that, dude. I got first place. Totally not fourth. A storm! Alright. Oh no. Oh, this. Oh no. This better be easy one, huh? That's 14. No, I mean 13. I think it might be 20, though. I think it might be 20. I don't know, because I answered it. Oh, alright. Yo, last time I played this, I cooked and I got like every single one. I don't know how, but I did. I got like most of them. I'm not gonna get all that, but no, I'm still gonna get a lot. With 11. I mean 12. Yeah. I know how to math. What? I don't know what that was all about. Sorry. I died, dang it. Okay, after this song's over, I'm ending the video. Because, yeah. Which, I don't know. I honestly didn't think I'd start posting again. But then I just got motivation because I was going to do a live stream. But I had to set up... I had to get back familiar with OBS. Because I deleted OBS. And then, after I got that, I need to figure out how to get music in it. So then I had to figure out that too. It took me like 2 hours. I got installed OBS again when it was like 10. And it's like... almost 2 a.m. It's like 20-ish, maybe a little more than 10 minutes until 2 a.m. So, it took me a while to figure this out, but now we good. You know. At least it's not potatoes again. I don't know why I said it like that. Huh? Where'd you come from? Looks like, I have them on my PC. What are those called? The Newton's Cradle. It looked like that, kind of. Someone press the button. Am I lucky? I don't know. Let me... Oh, it's a toy! It's a... Wait, yeah. Yeah, I was hoping that would blow up. That would have made that a lot funnier. Hopefully. I don't know. I don't know if everything I said was funny, but I'm hoping. Alright. Last time I did this, I got distracted. No, you ain't freezing me, bro. People like to use their gadgets and cheat. I'm not falling for that. Okay, what's a wall gonna do? You can literally just... Oh, I guess you can do that. We cooking. I know what I'm doing. Wait, no. Oh my. Uh-oh. I almost just died. How long is this round? I don't even know. Oh my. Oh. Does it go until there's one winner left? Because if that's the case, then this might be a little bit. Oh, no. Alright. What's the next one? Don't fall in the lava. What lava? Oh! Who's gonna win that, bro? You run. And you... Who's gonna win that? No one can... Wait, I can't even run. I can't even run. I don't know why I didn't just keep on using my jetpack, but it wouldn't let me sprint for some reason. I was holding shift, and that's like the run button, I thought. I was using both shift and central, because I know those two are usually sprint bars. But none of them will do anything. Like, bro, how are you doing that? I wasn't able to do anything. Alright. Yo, I think that's... Alright, what's this? See, it doesn't do that. Alright, so... Y'all, get out of my way so I can do my... Yo, I'm trying to... Anyways, I guess... That's gonna wrap it about here, so... Thanks for watching. Thanks for actually... If you made it this far, comment. Like, bread. A bread emoji. Comment a bread emoji if you made it this far. I will try to start posting more. I really hope I'll try. Because I like somewhat, I guess. Because with more music now, it'll make this more enjoyable somewhat. Because I like music. But, yeah. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Have a good rest of your day or night, because I know for one of my friends or some of my friends, their day's just starting. And it's like almost 2 a.m. for me. I gotta get to bed. I'm gonna upload this and go to bed. Kick my sister out of my room. But she's not sleeping in here. Because, yeah. Yep. I will see you guys later. Y'all are amazing. Don't forget that. Peace out.